let's get ready to do some more fidget trading. I think I'm gonna trade this ring. Trading ring, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Seriously, no one really wants it? I guess I'll add like one of my Ferris wheels. Okay, now trading ring and Ferris wheel, going once, going twice, going 3 times. If I'll make you shut up, yeah, I'll take it. Okay, what would you like for 2? This. It's kind of broken, so can you add one more thing? Fine, I'll add this little thing that you go like this with. I guess I'll accept. Yeah, I'll accept. Accept. Okay, I think I'm gonna trade my this. Trading water ball squishy, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. Okay, what would you like to offer for it? Just give me it. I'm sorry, but you have to like give me something. Fine, I'll give you these 2 hair ties. It's like really fun to play with like this. I already have 2 of them, so like, sorry, but like, no. So I'm just gonna have to decline. Decline. Hey, no, give me them. Hey, so rude.